So good morning po mga ka-excellence and kasalto. So today, we're going to the farm. Usual day. At we are expecting 2 groups of visitors na pupunta sa farm today para mag-acquire ng Gilliam Roundheads. So breeding season, we all know no, sobrang busy ng bawat breeders ngayon, no? Preparing their local batch na siguro by this time. So kami po will be starting yung mating namin few days from now. Magsisimula na po kami magpakasta para sa lahat. So nandito na tayo sa farm at hintayin na natin yung ating bisita. So it's a good day, medyo hindi mainit, medyo maaga pa actually. At habang inintay natin yung ating mga bisita, we took advantage of the time na bisitahin yung again ko ng pullets. Konting linis kasi medyo mabilis lumago yung mga damo ngayon kasi yung ulan, malimit yung ulan at saka yung init ng araw, which is gustong-gusto ng mga damo para mabilis silang lumago. So nung dumating yung mga buyers natin, yung bisita natin, konting kwentuhan, inom ng kape, barako, kumustahan sa breeding. Sila nga po pala ay regular kong mga customers for quite some time now. Regular po sila kumuha sa atin every season. So they have started yung pagpili ng kanilang mga kursunadang manok, no? So nga po pala, dito po sa farm, we highly recommend you to visit and select your own fowl para po sigurado tayo na pasado po sa inyong standard yung mga makukuha nyo pong manok. So mga bisita po natin, tumitingin sila ng tayo. So mga ka-excellence, no, at the end of this video, papakita po namin sa inyo yung brood pen namin for this local season. Ang pen number 22, which is the Gilliam Roundhead brood pens. One of our Gilliam Roundhead brood pens. So we hope to share it with you. We hope you will enjoy the video. Thank you. This is pen number 22 for this season. Gary Gilliam Roundhead brood pen. Yung mga babae po is 4 sisters, Gary Gilliam Roundheads. At yung lalaki po ay Gary Gilliam din. They're not related. They came out from different brood pens. So we hope to produce pure Roundheads for this brood pen. We really like our Gilliams kasi maayos po sila. Enough for us to keep them going. Ang kagustuhan po natin sa kanila, they are really smart birds. At hindi malalaki, hindi rin maliliit. Sakto lang po yung sukat. Magkakapatid po itong mga babae na ito. They are marked lefty and right outs. Yung lalaki naman po is left out marking. Anak po ito ng imported na broodcock namin last year. So we're trying to maintain them para po sa mga darating na panahon. Marami po tayo mga Gilliam Roundheads na pwedeng gamitin sa breeding. We really like them as they are. They have been tested dito po sa atin. Sila. Super fine birds. Gentle. Hindi sila maiilap. Pagaganda yung itsura. They usually come white leg. Pero sometimes around 10 to 20% or 10% maybe, may lumalabas na yellow leg. The original quadro we got from Gary Gilliam ay 2 white leg at isang yellow leg na babae, at ang broodcock po ay white leg din. So once in a while nagbibigay sila ng yellow legged, but not much. So ito po yung mga Gary Gilliam natin, at muli po, thank you for watching. In the coming days, we'll continue to update you with some of our brood pens. Maraming po salamat at good day. Muli po, ito po ang ating Gary Gilliam brood pen.